everyone! For today's project I'm doing a book nook, and this one is by Cutebee, and they were really nice to send it to me for free. And I've done a few of these from their company before, and I was always happy with the end result, and the actual making of it is always super straightforward and not that difficult. So the things you get inside the box are basically all the electronic parts, the instruction booklet, which is in English, so it's pretty easy to understand, and the pre-cut plates. The things you won't get inside is the glue and some batteries to power the LED lighting. I just wanted to say I don't normally use hot glue in these kits because it doesn't need it. It's just when I record, I shuffle the things about a lot, and I'm always paranoid that that part, specifically the touchpad, will fall off because it's only secured with normal glue. So I just give it a bit of a hot glue to make it extra secure. So it's really an optional thing. This is the part where I made the mistake and I turned the arch the wrong way around. And in the process of removing it, I broke the actual arch. So I wanted to show you how to fix this because everything is fixable. It's just wood. So if you break something, you can just glue it together. But just for this specific part, because it broke at a bend, I just wanted to show you how to fix it. And I'm really just using a piece of thicker paper on the upper side to glue it in place. And it might look wonky in the end, but you can't actually see it in the final product because there's a plate that goes above it. Also, this is another mistake I made, which isn't that bad, but you can see that the writing is on the wrong side. So you want to make sure that the parrot is on the right side. You can actually see me realizing in the video, so I had to disassemble the whole thing and reassemble. So just make sure that the parrot is on the right side. It is kind of hard to see the lighting properly in the light I'm shooting at, and I can't turn the lights down and shoot that way just because my camera can't cope with nighttime shooting, but it does look really nice in the evening. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.